Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a little old school baseball break here. I got a product I don't think I've ever opened, a 2002 Upper Deck Ovation. Now these are two retail boxes. They come with 8 packs, 5 cards each. I picked this on eBay. I think I got these for right around $12 each, so pretty reasonable price. And by looking at the front of the box, it said find a jersey card 1 in 24 packs. So we're looking about 1 in 3 boxes has a jersey. So I'll get a little bit odds in favor. Maybe I'll get 1 jersey out of these 2 boxes. It'd be kind of cool. So let's go ahead and open these up. A little old school break here. 2002 Upper Deck Ovation. Cool to see some of the old names again. Blaster box. Box 1 first here. Old school boxes where they had all the huge styrofoam in the back of them. Alright, pack 1. Check out what these design looks like. And if I can open these up. Oh, pretty nice. JD Drew. A little sticky. Got a raised emblem, the cardinal emblem. It's kind of raised. It's kind of cool. I like this design. You can see how it's embossed in the back. Kind of different there. I've got a piece of cardboard. Chris Richard. Frank Thomas. There we go. They are sticking a little bit. Not bad. Take my time, make sure I don't damage it. But wow, look at that. Mike Piazza. Back to back. Nice. Guzman. And that looks like a parallel. Unless it looks like a gray parallel. Maybe get one of those per pack. We'll check that out. Alright, pack 2. A couple good names in that first pack. Let's see, there's some inserts. What do we got here? Superstar Spotlight, Sammy Sosa. Again, I put the cardboard. Card 106. I think that's just the base card. Not bad. Burnett's. Bernie Williams. Super Spotlights Giambi. David Justice on the. So I don't think I got a gray parallel in that pack, so it must not be 1 per pack on those. But I am getting a piece of cardboard every pack. It's kind of weird. Alou. Alex Rodriguez, nice. Sean Casey, a lot of great names. Greg Vaughn. Gary Sheffield on the Braves. Jason Jomry. Spotlights. Josh Beckett. Guzman base, yes, there's the parallel. So I get that 1 parallel so far, I believe. Cliff Floyd. Jason Giambi again. This time on the Atlanta, on the A's. There's a little card 102. I wish I had some inserts here. I'll see another Sammy Sosa. Roberto Alomar. Larry Walker. Greg Maddux. Cool. And Tomei. There we go. Derek Jeter. 2002 Derek Jeter. Cool to get a parallel of him. Jason Giambi for the 3rd time. Barry Bonds. First Barry Bonds card. A-Rod. Ken Griffey Jr. Nice. Yeah, it seems I don't think the checklist is all that big, but it seems like most of the cards are the nicer names, so kind of cool. Sammy Sosa. Vaughn. Sammy Sosa again, 2002. Scott Rowland. Alright, last pack, box 1. Ordonez. There we go. Mark McGwire spotlights. The first McGwire card. Oh, Ichiro. First batting crown. Cool. Roger Clemens, the Yanks, and A-Rod again. All right, box 1 is done. Let's go to box 2. Let's see if we can get a jersey out of box 2. That'd be pretty sweet. All right, box 2. Chris Richards, Sammy Sosa, 1989 highlights, Burnett's, Ken Griffey Jr. again, so it must be pretty short, Chipper Jones, pretty short, card 57, probably, I think it's only going to be probably like 100, 150 at the most, card set maybe. Let's see what the Sosa is. 107. Yeah, so not the biggest set. Degata. Mark McGwire again. Spotlights. 119. Ichiro. 93. Mark McGwire again. Superstar spotlights. Larry Walker. Greg Maddux. Ooh, we got a jersey. Jimmy Rollins. Very cool. I did hit one jersey in the box, so out of the 2 boxes. Kind of cool die cut design there. Alright, so we did get a hit. Very cool. Let's see if we can get another parallel. Ichiro, J.D. Drew, Jim Thome, A-Rod, and Ordonez. Secondary Jeter there. Yambi, Barry Bonds, Lance Berkman, and Jeremy Dye. Alright, 3 more packs. Dimitri Young, that's the first one of that. Oh, Superstar Spotlights, Ken Griffey Jr. Wearing my Reds uniform. Come on. I can't get this one loose. Sammy Sosa, Phil Nevin, and Giambi. Alright, 2 more packs. Guerrero, Sweeney, Ken Griffey Jr. again. Troy Gloss, and Mark McGwire. Alright, last pack. Oh, actually, I did get a second. I didn't see it. Ordonez, did you guys catch that? I did get 2 of the gray parallels. At least. John Brown. Ichiro. Tito Martinez. Edgar Martinez. And Mark McGwire gray, though. That's a little different. A little bit of a short print there. Alright, that's the break. Pretty cool. Like I said, I don't think the set is very big. Let's see, 114. Yeah, I would say about 120 is probably the most of the set there. So I get a lot of base, some highlights here. You do get a lot of the great players. Excuse me. Get a lot of the great players of the late 90s and early 2000s. So it's kind of cool. A couple Jeters. The gray parallels ended up getting 3, including that Mark McGwire right there at the end. Kind of cool. And the one hit. Wish there was inserts. It'd be pretty fun, a really fun break. If it had a few inserts, you got a couple inserts per box. That'd be pretty sweet. Did it end up with one jersey card? I think it's a pretty fun break. If you maybe just want to break one box to get some of the bigger names. The cards are really nice looking, I think, with embossing the team logo on the back, so on the front. So pretty cool break. I was pretty happy with that. But that's it for this break of 2002 Upper Deck Ovation, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.